What are the key factors to consider when selecting and installing dock equipment, such as bumpers, levelers, plates, and ramps?
Yeah, it's interesting adding dock equipment. It should be very simple, and then as usual, it's when you get to the reality of the site and the site constraints of height of the truck well, or any angle of the grade in the asphalt or the concrete where the trucks are driving on, and any drainage that might make an angle or change the slope. And so when you're thinking through of adding a dock, it's really how are you going to get the truck to the building and at what height. And wherever your height of the building and height of the truck have a mismatch, that's where your levelers come in. Depending on if it's higher or lower, the truck from the building, and how much higher or lower it is will dictate which, like a solution that you have. And edge of docks are the $2,000 solution that are just steel plates that you mechanically pull a lever that bridge the gap between the building and the container. And then mechanical and hydraulic pit levelers are the $5,000 to $10,000 option, where you actually have hydraulics that lift not just a plate, but like a 4-foot section of steel that creates a ramp that a forklift can drive up and down and into. And so once you've looked at the orientation and the height difference between the grade and the truck, then you can start to figure out what dock equipment to utilize. And then everything else beyond that, like bumpers or something called Z-guards, are all about just like safety, the added safety features so that the truck doesn't hit the concrete, or the forklift doesn't hit the concrete, or the forklift can't drive out off the dock and do a high-speed jump out into the truck court. And after you've figured out your leveling situation, then it's all about safety.